Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how I clean the fuel drain under the filling cap in the Audi A4 B8 from 2010. Basically, as far as I know, this is just a tube that will drain somewhere under this on your wheel, and yeah, mine is covered in dirt. We'll just pump some water to show you. That's basically draining nothing. Did it just clean itself? I did clean it a little bit with a screwdriver because it was filled up to the level and it wasn't clear where it is. So I did clean it a bit before starting to film, and it seems it was just enough. I only had surface stuff in there. The tube itself was not properly filled. In case for you it doesn't work as easy as it did for me, you basically need something like this, a wire. Sometimes spiders make webs in that tube and creates problem. So you just need a copper wire and get it in there, wiggle it really well, make sure you get all the grime out, and then it should work. But for me it was much easier. And yeah, on my wife's car it was much more clogged when we bought it, so I really need to work a little bit to clean it, and I will link that video in the description just so you can see how it's done when it's even more clogged. So that's freaking awesome. Do we see where it drips? No, not really. I don't see anything in there. And yeah, it seems that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.